The way you live outdoors is unique to you, to your family, your friends. What if your home or property reflected this uniqueness? Beautiful, livable, and totally tailored to you. At Father Nature Landscapes, we don't just design yards or install landscaping. We craft outdoor experiences that connect life and land. Since 2006, we've been transforming the South Sound's finest properties into personal sanctuaries. We take a full-service approach, offering the best in landscape design, construction, and maintenance, leaving you more time to focus on the people and things that you care about. To us, the only thing more valuable than your trust in us is the memories you'll make in the landscape we craft. We look forward to partnering with you to help you live your outdoor story to the full. Father Nature Landscapes, connecting life and land.